trim is yes and my join is yes, then I say enter. Okay. Now I explode this, and now I will extend using a curve. Okay, this is a radius. Correct? My radius is increasing. I can change this radius to any number, but it is a radius. Correct? So even if you have trimmed something, don't worry. You can get your curve back the way you want it.
I just didn't get the last part.
See the last part. This is continuing the same curve, not smoothly, but like a radius. See, if I this particular curve, if I extend it using smooth, okay? अभी मैं इधर को आ रहा हूँ तो इधर को जा रहा है, मैं उधर को जा रहा हूँ तो उधर को भी जा रहा है, ठीक है? It is like my पूंछ, मैं उसको जिधर को भी दबा सकता हूँ, ठीक है? अगर मैं कंट्रोल Z करता हूँ और अगर मैं इसको रेडियस के साथ लेके चलता हूँ, तो it is like a circle, okay? So actually this is a circle, and what I am doing when I am stopping here is I am actually stopping short as a part of a big circle. So it is increasing from that point radially with a constant radius. This one. This is, again if I do control Z, this is increasing the curve radially, but I have varying radius. But after the extension, the curve will be a radial curve. Got it? So this all is important to understand. So now we've covered this. This is a simple fillet. Don't worry about simple fillets. You can make a fillet. Simple fillet का benefit क्या है? Let's say you want a 10 mm fillet, but you want a blend. So quickly make a 10 mm fillet in the curves. Delete the fillet, and then put the blend curve using this tool or this tool. Now this tool which we used allows you the manipulation that we have been trying, like this one, and then pulling it back and so on. Okay? Wherever you want. But in case of so now let us do this. Let us control Y this, let us explode this, and let us delete this. And if I use this blend curve, it will not give me a choice, it will just make the blend curve. Okay? So when you are sometimes, let us say in a model just 2 mm ka fillets, I just want to delete all fillets and change them to blend curves. You don't want to modify or play around with them. So then just use this blend curve, it will automatically do the best job for you. Do it. When you want explicit control, at that time use this one. Okay? So now let us do this. Let us do pick these 4 curves and join them. Okay? And let us pick these curves and delete them. Okay? Now we will look at this curve and we will see what to do here. Okay, this is offset. Now offset mein there are 3-4 different modes. One is distance. So you can define this as 16 mm, or you can decide this is 5 mm. So distance becomes 5, and now this can offset. If you go this side, it will make the offset outwards. If you come this side, it will make the offset inwards. If you click on both sides, then it will make the offset both sides. Okay? But what you would use more often is through point. मुझे मालूम मेरा तो ट्रेसिंग है ना, मेरे को तो थोड़ा इतना नहीं थोड़ा इतना चाहिए, right? So you would prefer to use the through point. Once the through point you have done, automatically the distance comes in. So then you can do all other fillets using the same, because it will repeat the last one. Got it? So if you're doing offsets and it's one constant distance you want to do, but that constant distance you want to visually first figure out what it should be, then do once, it will remember the distance, and then you can use the same distance Okay, this is offset curves normal